In our last session, I talked about your development team becoming 10 times more productive thanks to the use of AI and how you can help them move into the right direction. But in that process, how do you incorporate user feedback? Because the frequency will be a lot faster, there will be a lot more scope to evaluate, and there's less time to look at user data. I'm Laurens van den Hoever. I'm a technology strategist at Q32, and we're part of Adra, and I help large customers shape and deliver digital products. And in these sessions, I'll talk about the impact of AI on your digital product organization. So talking about user feedback. A problem occurs when we use analytics, quantitative feedback about users using your digital product. If you ship many more features at a faster pace, you will probably not have enough statistical relevant usage to measure the real impact. Especially if you have multiple features at the same time, it becomes harder. So we must shift to qualitative inputs. Learn more from every single user rather than a little bit from many users. And we have all sorts of methods at our disposal traditionally, but AI can help us scale them up. So before we actually start building, there's probably a big database of user reviews. You can analyze those using AI and see patterns and see what people like to use and what not. Also, the traditional user interviews, talking to people, it's always a lot of work to conduct those interviews and to process the feedback. AI can be a massive help there, and you can also scale that up, the interviewing itself as well as the processing of the information. So that's before you start building. During the building, AI also helps explore multiple paths. So you have a goal, you have a flow, there's something that you want to build. You can just build 3 versions of the same thing and see how they behave. That's one way to do it. Another way to get more qualitative feedback from a user is actually embed an LLM in your product and have the user reach out for help if they don't understand something or when they want to provide feedback. You can have a chatbot talk about the specific screen they're on and what they like or don't like about it. It might help them further, and it will give you valuable insights as to how you could improve your digital experience. So a lot of these things, you can start out with the fundamental layers. You can do more user research already and just start using the AI tools you already have at your disposal and scale from there.